this is the Fibonacci sequence algorithm. Um, so here we go. That's the code. The first test case is -1, but the answer won't let that go because we need a positive integer. Then the next one is 0, and the Fibonacci number for 0 is 0. The next one is 1. Then we have the test case of number 2, which also returns 1. Then the test case of number 7, which in this case returns 13, since it's a 1-index algorithm. Then the next test case is 10, which returns 65. Then 100, which returns that number. And then 200. So here it is. And then just for fun, if I put a letter, the answer also will get in the way.